Home construction safety, how to avoid accidents on site. Dear friends, when you're building a home, it's not only important to have the end consumer in mind, but also your employees working on the home construction. What are the most common causes of injury at home construction sites, and what can you do to avoid these accidents? The danger is real. Everyone from front-end tradesmen and hands-on construction professionals to foremen, management and vendors are at risk. This is why it's critical that home construction professionals and skilled workers follow construction safety tips and safety protocols in order to avoid accidents. Hazards are everywhere. Home build sites in particular are rife with potential risks. Common safety mistakes surround a variety of home construction aspects, including improper safety gear, falling objects, scaffolding collapses, trip and falls and electric shocks, among others. Training is the key to home build worksite safety. While skilled workers have extensive training on the best practices for their particular equipment, visitors, foremen and unskilled workers also need to understand basic safety protocols and why the rules are so important. Unfortunately, equipment training rarely extends to those of other related fields. That's why communication between all the professionals and staff working on a home build site is critical to keeping your employees safe. Basic construction safety tips. As the house owner or manager of a construction company, you are ultimately responsible for ensuring a safe home build site for your employees and visitors. By being responsible for your own safety on a home build site, you not only reduce your chances of becoming the next statistic, but you also serve as a good role model for your employees or workers. Follow these tips for improved safety conditions. 1. Undertake extensive training for any equipment you use on the job. 2. Watch your step and do not step on loose boards, unsteady scaffolding, unsecured ladders or anything that appears unsafe or askew. 3. Wear all necessary safety gear for each site. While hard hats are a common piece of equipment, construction pros should also wear goggles to protect their eyes from dust and flying debris, ear protection on noisy sites, gloves to protect the skin from any construction materials, steel-toed boots and a respirator if dust or chemicals are present. 4. Practice ergonomic lifting techniques by using your legs to lift heavy objects. 5. Avoid dark areas until proper lighting is put in place. 6. Stay dry, especially when walking through zones where electricity is being installed. 7. Maintain constant vigilance of your surroundings. Be watchful and alert. By being aware of all that is happening on a home build site, you increase your safety. While you may not want to shut down a home build site that does not follow these basic safety tips, all violations should be reported to the foreman. This simple step may save a life. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer AJ Laud's channel How to Make My House.